and some pencil color. Okay, so let's get started with his flower on his head. So for the flower I'm going to use pencil color. It's a red one, so it's red leaf, like simple color like this. Okay, and now inside the flower some orange color like this. Okay, and now the black color of his hair like this. It's gonna take some time. Let me use also this black color. It's gonna be fast to use oil color. Okay, be careful, don't go outside of the draw line. If you go this kind of drawing, it can ruin your drawing. Okay, but just be careful when you are drawing. Okay, just do like this. Okay, simple coloring like here. Just give it a nice and little detailing like this. Okay, and now for the face I'm going to use this color. So here it says here also, so it's maybe some sort of rubber band like this. Okay, now it's looking so good. And now for his hand, and also here for his entire face, let's go with this. Let's color also some sort of red lipstick on his lips like this. Okay, to look good, as you can see. And now let's draw his face with this color, also his body like this. Okay, it's a nice and beautiful face like this. Okay, so it's almost done. As you can see, it already looks so nice, but I don't know why it looks so nice. And let's go with this flower again. It's red leaf flower like this. Inside the flower, it's the orange color and some green leaf here, just like this. A little bit of be careful with this type of area, it's so sensitive, as you can see. Okay, where's the other green? Okay, I found it. Let's fill up this like this area like this. Okay, and okay, it's so good. And now for his dress to be blue color like this, let me use this one. it will take little time. Okay, and now for his shoes, I think for his shoes I supposed to use this cover shoes. I guess it's like this. It's not shoes, it's his feet. And one thing, don't go to my English. My English is so much poor. Okay. And now the blue color is here, like this. Here, okay, now let's put this. Okay, it's almost done. And now else is his wings. So it should be some yellow and sky blue color. So first of all, I'm going to draw yellow color on here, the bigger part on here, like this. If you want another color, it's all up to you. You can use it. It's not mine. The color you want, the color you like, you can use it. It's all up to you. Okay. And now this one, I should use this color. So let's get started with this one. Like this. Okay, as you can see, it's almost done. Okay, and a little bit of laces here. And the only one thing left is it's a hairband. So let's color it some which color should I use? I should use this color. Okay, now our fairy is done. So thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.